Hi everyone. So now we know a few things about functions. So one is how to write a function. How to write a function. Function body, the rule. Especially a void function. Let's say. So no problem. How to write a function. You know it. Okay. So the second thing is where to write a function. So in the code, I already said you to write a function outside of both void loop and void setup blocks. Okay, where to write a function, where to write, and how to call it. So you call the function name, and also you have the two brackets with the semicolon. So how to call. So these are the most important parts of functions. If you know that, then you are good, right? So just to prepare yourself, okay, just to prepare yourself with these functions, right? So let's talk about the void functions first. I can give you some exercises so that you can try, right, after the session, or like you can give a try on that. So one thing is write a void function, okay, to blink an LED. That already I did it, but try it again with different delays or something. Okay, so also then remember the void keyword anyway. So then write a void function to display or print, okay, two names, okay, one after another in two lines, okay, right? So number three is I'm not aware of what I can give you for number three. So any outcome, yeah, we can do it. Write another function, okay, write another function to fade an LED. Fade an LED, that means increase the brightness of the LED and decrease the brightness of the LED. You know how to do it using a for loop. Simply you can increase and decrease the fadeness of the LED. Sometimes you can do it with the if condition as well. Let's go for a for loop for the moment. Using analog output, right? So analog write, you can do it. So all these functions will be void functions, okay? So if you have any issues in fading an LED or printing the names, you have to watch my previous videos in the list, where I have taught about printing a name using serial println or fading an LED using analog write. I have taught those things, okay? So you can have a look on them and you can come back and use it inside the function, right? So just to give a simple so take this a note, or you can take a snapshot of it, screenshot of it, whatever you want you can do. Just to tell something. So let's say I just remove everything here. Okay, why is this thing is happening? So you write void setup. I'm not writing anything within this because I should write, but to save time I think it's better not to write it. This is void setup, okay, and we have void loop, okay. So you may write a function outside of both. Okay, so void, okay, so let's say fade, okay. So now you know the structure of the function, right? So this is your function, the line number 10 to 14. So you write the content whatever you want, okay. I'm just writing it using the content. So I'm just recreating everything. So you have to call the function inside the void loop, okay. So fade like this. So what will happen is this content will be replaced in here by the program itself. So since the whatever you written in the content will be implemented here. So once the void loop is finished, it will iterate again, right? Because we have already told to Arduino void loop should be repetitively happening. So the next time iteration, again this content will happen, okay. again and again it keeps happening. That's why when you are writing a bling inside a method and when you call the method, the bling is happening continuously. Like you are directly writing the bling, it is happening continuously. Why? Because of the void loop. The same is happening when you are using a function as well. Because using the function and using the content directly are same. So using function is for our easiness. Okay, I hope you can understand this, guys. So whatever the related things you may have tried inside the void setup. So inside your function, if you have digital write business, you may have tried pin mod is output inside the void setup. If you have analog output business, again you are right, pin mod is output inside the void setup. So you know those things, right? So I'm not repeating it those things, guys. So I will stop the video here. So just to recall everything about these non-returning value functions, void functions. So how can be called? So whatever the work you want, you can do it using them, right? Okay. So I'm what do you call? I'm just stopping it here, this video. So before I'm moving to the return type functions in the next video, guys. So thanks everyone. Just this video is just a recap of everything. So I will catch you up in the next videos. Until then, have a great day ahead and consider subscribing us, guys. Bye.